Okay, to let you know, right there we're looking at the river. It's a little dam here. There you can see the flowing water, but as I pan over to the left, all that white there in front of the trees, that is a river. I've never seen it like this before. Yeah, this is amazing. This is nothing to drive in. This is amazing. And my hands are frozen. I'm going to take some stills and then I'm going to go get some nice hot warm tea. Have a good day. This is Karl F. Rose reporting live from Bedford, Pennsylvania, Saturday, December 14th, 2013. God bless you all. God bless where you happen to be. God bless the country you live in. God bless America. And be sure to hug your loved ones, including your pets. Take care.